Apache OpenOffice is a free open source productivity software suite. It includes all the software an office will need, including a word processor, spreadsheet, presentation application, and a drawing application. I'm Caleb Fortune with Trust Radius, and let's take a closer look at Apache OpenOffice. Pricing. The Apache Software Foundation is a charitable organization funded by individuals and businesses. Since the Apache Software Foundation's mission is to provide software for public good, all of their products are offered for free to everyone. This includes OpenOffice, their office productivity suite. The full suite includes Writer, their word processor, Calc, their spreadsheet software, Impress, their presentation software, Draw, their vector graphics program, Base, their database software, and Math, their formula editor. Top features. Impressively, OpenOffice has 20 years of community development, making its tenure one of its top features. It is a leading open source software suite in diverse industries like education, government, IT businesses, and more. Users in the community can report bugs and make enhancements. Apache is always striving to build the perfect office software suite. OpenOffice is easy to use and is consistent in its reliability and stability. It's easy to get, requiring only one download for the whole suite. Not to mention, OpenOffice has a high success rate in reading files from other Office software packages, making migration easy. If you have any troubles, the international development community is full of enthusiastic volunteers that will help you. And finally, the point that we don't want to forget is OpenOffice is free to use. This is mainly possible because of its large community of users and companies that contribute money and time to the product. Users do not have to worry about an expiration date or software license audits. Who is OpenOffice Best For? OpenOffice is ideal for individuals and small businesses. It benefits individuals and small businesses with a small budget because it is a free product. However, OpenOffice is not ideal for large businesses that create more complex presentations and documents. OpenOffice comes with fewer features and the templates are fairly basic. Additionally, the real-time shareable access to projects makes it less fluid for collaboration compared to Google Docs or Microsoft 365. User sentiment. Looking at what users have to say about OpenOffice, they love that it is open source. OpenOffice's simple user interface resembles many Office software suites like Microsoft Word, so OpenOffice is intuitively easy to create and edit documents. It is also compatible with many file types like DocX, WPS, XLS, and PowerPoint. Moreover, it is a cross-platform software compatible with Linux, Microsoft, and Apple computers. Unfortunately, users have reported issues with OpenOffice supporting new Microsoft Office formats when major updates occur. Also, the save file format options in OpenOffice are unconventional, so there's a risk of formatting issues. Whether you need quick access to editing some documents or a long-term desktop solution, Apache OpenOffice is a great choice for those with budget constraints or fans of the scrappy nature of open source software. If the latter is your preference, you should also check out LibreOffice, another open source and highly recommended Office suite software option. Do you use either of these or a different Office suite that you prefer? Let us know about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe for more, and head over to trustradius.com for detailed reviews, comparisons, and software alternatives.